Acha, as yesterday I completed chapter 6 and 7 in GK. Okay, so again tomorrow I'll start from chapter 7 in GK. Today there will be maths. Okay, as I told you, in an alternative days I'll take GK and maths. So all of you give heading, put the date and CW. Today I'll start chapter 7. Chapter 6 more to do part also completed na. So chapter 7 division. Put the date also. 17th of August. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Normally division. If we are dividing any number, okay. Suppose let us take a number 2137. Okay, 2137. Write this one. We are dividing it by 7. Okay. Just write the number in your copy. Now it will be 3 sevens are 21. Normal division, so you know. Yes. Yes, Tom. Now this will be 0. This 3 will come here. But still 3 is less than this 7. No? Not divisible by this 7. So we have to take this 7 also. And we have to put a 0 basically as 3 is not divisible. 3 is after taking this 3, still 3 is less than 7. Normal division we are doing. So this 7 will be there now. 5, 7, 30, wait. 5, then this 2 will be there. This division all of you understood too? Normal division, huh? Riza, Shirin. Okay, now here, look, this one is called dividend. This one is called divisor. This one is called quotient. This one is called remainder. What is the name? Now you have to mention. Look, this is called divisor. Okay. This one is called dividend. Write this one. Dividend, okay? This one is called remainder. Write this one. Okay. Shirin, you are there. I am unable to see you. Okay, okay. Put the camera in such way so that I can, yes, now okay. Acha, this one, this is quotient. Write this first. Done up to this? Now look, there is one rule. What is that rule? Basically, how to get the dividend. Look, if we multiply this quotient with this divisor, then after that, if we are adding this remainder, then we'll get this dividend. What I told, if we multiply divisor, if we find the product of these two and quotient, Okay. After that, if we are adding this remainder, then we'll get the dividend. Again, I am showing it. Huh? How? Acha, up to this, all of you done to? Yes or no? No. Acha, acha, acha. Okay, I am waiting. Write this first. Only up to this, huh? Only up to this remainder part. Complete this one. Right now, no need to write this portion, huh? Vahia, Shaud, Sushnata, and Irfan. Writing? Okay. Acha, Ashia, Ishika, हाँ, okay, good. Meheria, Intekab, Shornakshi, and Nouraz, completed? Yes, okay, good. Ananya, Pratibha done to? Maushim, Pratibha, then write first. Acha, Farhan Malik, Anubhav, Mohammad Saim, Sifat Haq. Just keep your camera on. Bonusri, Enakshi, keep your camera on. Otherwise, he will be marked as absentee. So, Kinteka, up to this completed too. Now I will erase the screen. Meheria completed. Okay. Shampriti, Ashia completed too. No, acha. Write first. हाँ, yes, Ankita, I have seen. हाँ. Okay. Shaud, write first. Okay, now Pratibha and Shampriti completed. Shampriti? Yes, okay, good. Pratibha? Pratibha, write first. Acha, now let me erase this page. Huh? Acha, here we have got divisor is this one quotient, this one remainder, and this is dividend, right? So just write below of it divisor is equal to 7. Dividend 2137. Quotient this one, and also write the remainder. That is 2. Up to this done, Tom. Now there is a rule. One rule is there. That one I told you. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. How this rule is coming, we have to check it. Acha. Now just find divisor into quotient plus remainder. Put a bracket, then plus remainder. Write this one is equal to, we have to check, what is the divisor? This is 7, though. So put 7 into, what is the quotient? This is 305. Yes or no? Shaud? Yes to? Acha, okay. Are you getting this to Ashia? Understood or not? Plus remainder. What is remainder? This 2 is the remainder. So plus 2. Clear? Now just multiply this one. What will be? 5, 7, 35. 7, 3 are 21. Plus this 2 is equal to, you are getting 2137. Now this one is the dividend. Yes or no? Yes, though. So we are getting divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to the dividend. So write it over there. That means just put a star and write dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So how have you understood though? And make a box. Make a box. All of you completed this one? Acha, before that, let me know one thing. All of you understood to this one? How this relation come? Look, we have checked from this one, na? Yes, to? Okay. Pratibha, Mohammad Nahid, Meheria, understood? Good. Anjum, understood, beta? Okay. Oishani, Ovipsha, Parijat, and Ashmit, understood? Okay. Sharanya, Sheikh Intekab, Mousha. Good. Bonusri, beta? Bonusri, Enakshi, Anubhav, and Ananya. Just let me check whether have you understood or not. Okay. Ishika, achao. Oishi, Trisha. Understood or not? Nushaiba, Trisha. Good. Acha, Nushaiba is saying no. Yes, Ankita, I have seen the copy. Wait. Nusaiba, don't worry. It will be clear when I'll solve the sum. Don't worry. Just wait for a minute. Oishani Ovipsha, understood too? Good. Diptashi, Bajid, Rahman and Wajid, Diptashi, Somdatta, Shulagna, Shifat. Keep your camera on. Shayan, Shashmal, keep your camera on. Okay, now let me, all of you written up to this. Let me do the next one, and Nushaiba, don't worry, I will give the explanation again. Okay, Somdatta, understood? Shoikot, Shayon. Okay. Look at this. Suppose we are dividing any number, then that number is called dividend. Okay. And by which number we are dividing, that is known as divisor. Okay. And after dividing this big number by this small one, we are getting an answer. So that answer is known as quotient. Okay, and suppose it is not completely divisible, then definitely there will be a remainder, some extra number, that is called remainder. Okay, now there is a relation that the dividend is equal to this into this plus remainder. I will check by solving the sums right now. Okay, so exercise A, first 1A, exercise A, chapter 7, 1A. Start to solve, all of you. Sharanya, sit properly so that I can. Yes. Acha, look at this. Sharanya, what are you doing? Are you solving or? Okay, now look at this. 1A. We have to divide this one 6,783 by 56. Acha, we don't know the table of 56 though. Then how to do this type of problem? Okay, look at this. How to do? Basically, look, this is a 2-digit number. So take 2 digit first. Look, it is 67. Here it is 56. So definitely it will go by 1, na? Because 56 is the nearest number of 67, very near to 67. Yes, though. So by 1 it will be 56. Now do the subtraction. 1, then 111. This 8 will be there. Okay. Now how to check by which? Look, it is 56. It is a 3-digit number, though. So just look at the tens place digit. It is 5. Here, just leave this ones place digit. Here also leave it. Understood? Now in tens place it is this, and it is 11 in tens and 100 place. So 5 2s are 10. Now it is near about this 11. So take 2. Is it clear to all of you? How to check? Just leave ones place digit. Okay. All of you, Shampriti, Irfan, Sheikh Irfan, understood or not? Okay. Nusaiba, just write this one by 2. We have to divide this one. Okay. So 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. 5 2s are 10 plus this one 11. Now subtract it. It will be 6. This 3 will come. Again, this is 63. So by this 56, 1 is 56. Okay. Then this will be 7. Acha, now this 7 is less than this 56. So we should stop here. This is the remainder by here. Yes, so. Okay. So look at this. And this one 121, Nusaiba, look at this very carefully. This 121 will be the quotient. Okay, this number will be the dividend. Okay. So write here dividend. $6,783 divisor 56. Quotient 121. Remainder. Write remainder. Okay, write remainder is equal to 7. Done. So now we have to check it. Look at the question. You have to also check this. Huh? So give heading checking. Give heading checking. Okay. Okay, right. Checking over there. How to check? I told you now that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so just write divisor into quotient. Acha, I am just writing divisor quotient for Q, huh? Plus remainder, I am writing R, but you will write the whole word, huh? Divisor into quotient plus remainder, understood? So write over there divisor, that is divisor is 56 into 121 plus remainder means 7. Now just check whether this one, the answer is coming this or not. Okay, do this one. The multiplication 56 and 121, already multiplication chapter has been done. So do the multiplication yourself. I am just writing 6776 plus 7. That one is equal to, in one line I am doing, okay, as there is no space. Now look, this one is dividend, so it is coming. So the answer is correct. Write this one. Hence at the last write, hence the answer is correct. Do up to this one fast. I am waiting for 2 minutes only. Complete within these 2 minutes. We have to divide 9185 by 77. Do it first. 77, 1 is 77. Do the subtraction. It will be 4, it will be 1, 14. Then this 8 will come. Yes, Tom. 148. Then again by 1 it will go, because if we take 2, then that answer, that product will be greater than this 148. Okay. So it will again be 77. Now do the subtraction. It will be 1, it will be 7. Then this 5 will be there. Right first. Now by which one we have to multiply? Just take this 7, huh? And multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue this. And check which one is the nearest to this 71. Okay. Achha, 7, 1 is 7. Just continue. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. And 7 10s are 70. Huh? Yes, 70 is near about this. But if we take multiply it by 10, then there is also one more 7 though. Then that number will be greater than this 715. Okay. That's why we will take 9. Understood? So take 9. Seven 9s are 63, carry 6. 7 9s are 66 plus this 6. 63 plus this 6, 69. Now do the subtraction. It will be 2. It will also be 2. 22 is the remainder. Okay. Now write here. Divisor. Do it fast. 77. Dividend. $9,185. Quotient. quotient in bracket I am writing Q, because I'll write Q at the time of checking. Okay, Q just write. Achha, here don't write D and D because both are starting with D, na? That's why no need to write the short form here. In case of quotient and in case of remainder, you can write the short form. Remainder in bracket you can write quotient is 119, remainder is 22. Now checking. Do the checking first. Pratibha doing to? Okay. Divisor into quotient. Quotient I am not writing the whole word. I have just written Q. Understood to? Mausha, no problem to. I am just writing Q. That means the quotient. Okay. R, that means the remainder. Okay. Is equal to find. Divisor means 77. Quotient means 119. Remainder means 22. Now multiply. Achha, this 77 and 119. I need to show the multiplication. This one to already done. You can do it yourself now. Just in this way, 119, 77. First by 7 you have to multiply this one, then another 7 you have to multiply, then add. Do it. I am just directly writing the answer over there. It will be 9,163 plus 22. Hence, Ashmit, doing or not? So this one is dividend, right, is equal to dividend. Hence, the answer is correct. Achha, the answer is correct means which one? Basically, this quotient and this remainder. Understood too? So just do it fast. I am waiting for 1 minute only. Okay. Then I'll check the copy.